Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to delete photos from Picsart. To delete photos from Picsart, first of all, launch the Picsart app on your mobile device. Open. Once you do that, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to access your profile. Scroll through your uploaded images or projects to find the photo you want to delete and open it up by tapping on it. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Delete from the menu pop-up at the bottom. Confirm the deletion when prompted by clicking on Yes, and that way, you will be able to delete photos from your Picsart profile. So that's how you do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.